In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy and get items here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to find one of these shops or buildings like the gunsmith or the general store in game itself. The gunsmith is where you can buy weapons, while the general store has just like regular items and supplies. But essentially, you walk into either of those shops and look on the items on display to buy something, walk up to whatever item you want, pick it up, and then confirm the purchase when the game does give you the option. As soon as you buy it, it's going to go into your inventory and it'll be ready to use. Now, some shops may close depending on the time of the day. Usually, they do close at night, so just keep that in mind. So if you cannot buy anything, just wait until the shop opens up again like the next morning. But that's going to be the full process. All you need to do is find whatever shop you actually want to purchase an item from, go to that item, pick it up, and the game will prompt you to purchase it as long as the shop is open. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.